Pranali Tera. Today's date is 28 March 2022 and my today's topic is garbage collection. Garbage collection in Java is a process by which the programs perform memory management automatically. The garbage collector finds the unused objects and deletes the reclaim the memory. In Java, dynamic memory allocation of object is achieved using the new operator that uses some memory, and the memory remains allocated until there are references for the use of the object. When there is when there are no references to an object, can be reclaimed. The technique that accomplishes this is known as garbage collection. Programs that do not deallocate memory can eventually crash when there is no memory left in the system to allocate. These programs are said to have memory leak. Garbage collection in Java happens automatically during the lifetime of the programs. Eliminating the needs to deallocate memory and thereby avoiding to memory leak. Then in C language, this is programmer responsibility to deallocate memory, allocating dynamically. It will at this point there are no references pointing to the object and becomes eligible for garbage. It will be removed from memory and there is no way to retrieving back. And then how to delete an object in Java. First of that, if you want to make your object eligible for garbage collection, assign its reference variable to null. And primitive types are not objects; they cannot be assigned null. Over the lifetime, a Java application, new objects are created and released. Eventually, some objects are no longer needed. You can say that at any point in time, heap memory consists of two types of objects: live and dead. The live is these objects are being used to reference from somewhere else, and the dead, these objects are no longer used for reference from anywhere. Then the garbage collector finds this unused object and deletes them from free up memory. The main objective of garbage collection is to free heap memory by destroying an object that don't contain a reference. When there are no references to an object, it is assumed to be dead and no longer needed. So the memory occupied by the object can be reclaimed. There are various ways in which reference to an object can be released to make it a candidate for garbage collection. Java garbage collectors implement a generalized generational garbage collection strategy that categorized having to mark and compact all the objects in a JVM inefficient as more and more objects are allocated. The list of objects leading to longer garbage collection times. Empirical analysis of applications has shown the most objects in Java are short-lived. Then when there is no reference to an object, it is assumed to be dead and no longer needed, so that the memory occupied by the object can be reclaimed. You can say that at any point in time, the heap memory consists of that different types of objects. Thank you.